how to use Ulta Beauty to track your orders very quickly. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a very fast guide in order to track your Ulta Beauty order. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can head over to their website and directly look out for this tracking order option in the top right corner usually. Otherwise, we can go to the Ulta Beauty order tracking website directly. So what we can do is we can go ahead and look out for Ulta Beauty and type in order tracking and hit enter. After that, we'll be finding this link in the very first option. We can click on it. And all we gotta do is now enter up our order number and our email address. So this one right here, providing the email address, and right below it, your order number, you need to provide it up. So go ahead and select it up and your order number that were used at the checkout. Once it is done, you can click on this option called check, and you will be seeing your order status, if it's being processing, shipped, out for delivery and delivered, and your shipping carrier and tracking number as well. Also your estimated delivery date. You can just go and view it up. Otherwise, you can also use the Ulta Beauty mobile application and follow the same process, sign in into your account, tap on orders and select your order to see the updates about your order. After placing your order as well, usually it should provide us with a confirmation email. You can open up Gmail for that. And that email will directly contain a direct tracking link to see your order status. And for the same day delivery, other status updates may refresh more frequently in the application if you do not have an account. Also, you can use this option called track and order directly and go ahead and view your order status and keep your order number very handy. It's needed for all the tracking methods. And that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method if you wanna track your order on Ulta Beauty. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.